Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to compress the files and directories with password in Rocky Linux 9 operation using GUI mode. So now I open the file explorer. So in the file explorer, you will have option to compress the file. So first I am selecting one directory. So right click that directory. So in context menu you can see that compress. So click the compress. So the multiple options to compress the file. So I am going to select the .zip file with password. So that lock symbol, right? Yes. So rest of the options does not have password. Yes. So now I am compressing the file. You can see the progress here. Yes. So this directory is got successfully compressed with the password. So what I am doing, I am going to copy this directory and paste in a different location. So now I am going to extract here. Right click, extract. So provide the password. That's it. You can see the progress here. Yes. So it's uncompressed successfully. So this is the way to compress the files and directories with password in Rocky Linux 9 in GUI mode.